So you can buy a new home and you can buy one, wait 8 months, or you can buy one that is absolutely ready to go. This one is move in ready. Get the keys, move in next week whenever you're ready to close. We are in Solstice Ridge. This is a gated community in Prescott Lakes. And this home is priced well below so many others in the community. The reason why is because of the views. This is what they call a privacy lot. Because instead of being so big and open in the backyard, you have something that feels more intimate and private because you're on the side of the community. Everybody across the street has golf course views. People on this side have a nice fenced yard, terraced, and very private. We've got a little extended area in the patio that goes into the garage. Door into the kitchen. So let's go check out the inside of this home. So this is one of 3 models offered by the builder in this community. And it has so many of the same features. This one has vaulted ceilings. The other ones we've been looking at have high but flat ceilings. We have a gorgeous gas fireplace. Kitchen. All Bosch stainless steel appliances. Gorgeous counters. I love the bright white. And of course we have soft close, drawers. What else would you expect? 5-burner stove. Sorry, cooktop. Gorgeous farmhouse sink. You have a nice pantry here. A built-in shelving. And let's go see to the right here. This was that patio. So this would make a great coffee bar area. I'm all about the coffee. Big coffee drinker. So you have living room here. So picture your couches here. You have a nice chair in the corner. TV up above her fireplace. Big dining table right here with however many chairs. Plus you could have bar stools all along there. You could put some gorgeous shelving, artwork, cabinets, whatever you wish on this side. And then, let's go back here to the primary suite. Again, picture, we've got a gorgeous king-size bed, big nightstands on either side. Picture window with whatever landscaping you want in there. And then on this wall, you could have your TV. So this was a former model. So you do see some nails and things in the walls, but not because it was lived in. We have a vanity, 2 separate sinks, right? So we have this one here, one vanity next to your tub. Great natural light here, nice big shower, and then your other vanity on this side next to the walk-in closet. Lots of space here. Separate room for the toilet. And then coming out of the primary suite, let's go find our guest bedrooms. We'll check out the garage, the laundry room to the left in a minute, but let's hit the bedrooms first. So this one with double doors would make a great office. Also located right near the front of the home and doesn't have a closet the way it's currently configured. Right across from the office here, we have a full bathroom. And then as we continue down the hallway, we have our nice big double-doored closet. Lots of storage space here. Storage room all the way down. And then to the right, here is our third bathroom. Single sink, full bathroom as well with the tub. Little nook in the back there. And then here is our third bedroom. You do have some peekaboo views from this home. So of course, you know, your neighbors across the street have the full view. But here you can see a little view between the houses there. And then of course, even though you don't have the view in the backyard, as soon as you walk outside and you go into your front yard, every time you're coming and you're going from this home, you're going to find those beautiful views out front. Let's check out the laundry room and entry. So good sized laundry room. Nice washer dryer. Oh, this is going to be another closet here. Secondary coat closet. And this goes into the garage. Now this one is a 3-part tandem garage. So what we mean by tandem is that one is behind the other. So you have 2 cars that you could park side by side here. And then the third car would go back this way. Now, if you actually have 3 daily drivers, that's a lot of work. But what this is great for is when you need a 3-car garage, but you really just have 2 cars, and the third bay is going to be used for toys, hobbies, workshop space. That is perfect. And this looks like it could be a great space for a secondary fridge if you wanted that. I think I'd also put my Roomba vacuum over there. So there you go. So this home, unfurnished, right, doesn't have all of the design elements that you would see in a typical model home, but it is a blank slate. It's ready for you to envision what you want. And getting into this gated community here in Prescott Lakes in a new home that has all of the landscaping done for you, low maintenance backyard, terraces if you want to put in some plants, great. If not, done. You don't need to do anything other than get your furniture and move in. So if you're looking for a move-in ready home in Prescott Lakes, gorgeous layout, high ceilings, brand new, because we know some of the stuff here in Prescott Lakes is a little older, but this has all of today's finishes. You have soft closed drawers, you have your 5-burner gas cooktop, all Bosch stainless steel appliances, double slider door going out to your back patio, high ceilings throughout the house, and vaulted ceilings in the living room, along with that gorgeous gas fireplace, that nice chunky mantle up there, and a 3-car tandem garage. You really get a lot for your money in this home. So if you're interested in taking a tour or just learning more about the community, don't hesitate to reach out. Down below, you'll find the link to subscribe to the Prescott Homeowner newsletter, where you can learn a little bit more about what it's like living here in Prescott, see information on local events that are going on. And whenever you're ready, I'm here for you. Reach out. I am here to help you find your dream home in Prescott, Arizona. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Prescott Homeowner on YouTube. I am Odessa Kyleman, and I appreciate you watching. It is your comments, your views that help me get these videos out to more people. So I would love your comment and a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next video.